traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, December 2nd. This is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day, and gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on gold, we did have a pretty decent little push up today, which like I said, most likely is probably a correction to this move down. I think there's a very good chance that we're going to still end up pushing down to at least a 61 or a 78% fib. I think that this is an A. I think we're in a three-way pattern to the downside for an A, B, C, or B. And then eventually I think we're going to go back up for a wave C. So definitely keep an eye out for a short still. We have to be a little bit careful because the very high time frames like the daily, weekly, and monthly are definitely still in uptrends, and I mean the trend could always just keep on going up. But to me, it looks like we need to go down and complete a wave B of this ABC of wave B before we actually go up and make the bigger wave C. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.